everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can install YouTube application on Windows 10. Now to begin the process, you will need to first open a Google browser in your PC. You can use any browser on your PC. So once you open a browser, click open a new tab, and there on the search bar you need to go to the YouTube. So tap on youtube.com and press enter. Now once you're at the YouTube page, what you need to do is you need to move your mouse cursor over here at the right side of your Windows screen to the three dotted lines. Click that, and there you scroll down and you will have the easy option of install YouTube. Click that. It will ask you install app. You tap on install. And just with that, the YouTube installation process will complete it. Now if you go back to the desktop, you will see the YouTube application easily being downloaded and available for you on your desktop. Now you just need to click on this and you will be able to access YouTube right away. So this is how you can install YouTube in the Windows 10. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.